Da gajeng temu banirap ikiriu shimet ki bakwa banyang halaki jong ki kejat banseng ya ki Karkhana ret. Ha ka arpu eter ulber arhajar arpu ar la Thaw ba lepen scam ki nongkit kam jong ka laghu udyog bharati LUB Meghalaya chapter ha gajeng elang kablalong Hashilong club. U presiden berem ke All India Laghu Udyog Bharati bad ubakmi mentai kathan stelam mingi u Om Prakash Mittal ulong bagi LUB kedai kekenhuan kabran ha kisan spatli gi district jongkari India. Bad ketong jongka kedai ban penlong ya kari India kum kejaka ke babontam ki Karkhana red ha ke pertai berokawai. Hagani kejingelang ledon lang ki nongilam jong ke LUB ke bekenthop yo Prakash Chan u Manoj Lundia u Ashish Diora u BL Agarwal u President ke LUB Meghalaya chapter Vikram Singhania u General Secretary ke LUB Meghalaya chapter u Harsh Junjunwala bat kiwe. U Vikram Singhania ulong bagajing seng ya kena kenhuan ha kejela kadai shibenta banirap bat ban Kyntiew ki shimet ki basengi Karkhana red baleng ba kena seng ken shim ki lat glenti banirap ki shimet kejela ban seng ki Karkhana red daga bapani ojingerap ka pisa na ka sarkar balada kini ki shimet ki mat ginu gejing eru ka seng ka kloy banirap ki ha ka banyo gejing hikai ne ginu gejing pentebet ha gejing seng ki Karkhana red ha kejela. Kadba Harsh Junjunwala ulong bagi LUB kan Kyntiew ki Karkhana red. Namar kan long kum kalat iki samla bani okam badah ke jokopor ban aikam ai jamlang iki weipat. Badah ke jingnon ki Karkhana red on la aru ban Kyntiew ya kayo kokot jong ke jelahi berokawai.
Micro, small, medium enterprises. It's not only industry, it's all. Even anybody who's a business person can be a member of this. Basically, the association, why we made this association is to see the development of the industry and the enterprises. The more the business grows, the India will grow. The stability will be there, the state will grow. So basically, once we have an association of the same, we can always, if there's any problem which we require some help from the government, association will approach the government to help us see our problem. And we can also, if it in state matter, we can approach the state. And if it a center matter, we have an association which is based in Delhi. Also, we can ask them to take up the matter which we have a problem with the center. They'll take it up. And this association, it's almost 25 years old association. Present in India, and now the association is growing. The association, we are a part of all the major committees in Government of India. Whenever they have any committees, we are a part of it. They take our suggestions seriously, and they try to incorporate our suggestion in the thing. So it's always better to have an association to have a betterment of the people and the enterprises. That's why we have started this chapter today in Meghalaya, and we hope right now we have around 27 members in the association, and we are growing every day. Today also around another 8 of them have shown interest to join, so they'll be joining, and we are trying to make everybody a member to it, and we invite all the people in Meghalaya to be a part of this association and be a part of a bigger picture, so that the association grow, and once we grow, our business, everybody will grow. It's a big network, and it's a business network. The main.
In what way will you help these local people from here start the business?
Yes, basically once we are there and a local entrepreneur who want to start a business and they want some help from our side or anything, if they are facing any problem with the government also, they can approach us. We can also talk to the government, and if they require any help to know the technology part, we can get the technology people. We are having so many people involved with us, we can always guide them how to set up a unit. If they have any problem with the, let's say there are lots of schemes which we don't know, we will promote to them that these are the different schemes which they can take benefit from the government, and bank also, because MSME is a chapter which bank also promote. There are lots of things which bank promote in MSME. So we can always guide them how to come up with become an entrepreneur if they have any issue. And we can also, if they are already a local entrepreneur who's already doing business and he want to expand outside Meghalaya, we can always, he can be a part of it. We can always put him to the concerned association who are already into this line. Let's say food processing is one of the major things in Meghalaya which we are looking handicrafts. We can always have a tie-up with them, and we can tie up with them with the national players whom they can market the product. That way we will help the local entrepreneur also.
Our organization helps in collaborating all SMEs, and these SMEs will see to their problems, will help them grow. So we will collaborate with them. This organization, in fact, we had proposed many changes to the SME for the Northeastern Industrial Policy. Our national head just informed us that 95% of the suggestions that we had given were incorporated. So this organization is also a think tank to make India one family, one industry. You see, India is considered as an agricultural country, but earlier we were an industrial country. We had 25% of world export. This organization aims to re-achieve that target.